Clean the audio out ports on the TV, using a soft cloth or cotton swab. Try reversing the cable ends, and making sure both ends are firmly and fully inserted. Adjust the digital output audio format to PCM, and Dolby DTS is set to off. Plug the USB transmitter into the wall outlet, instead of the TV's USB port. Lower the volume on TV, and increase the volume on your headphones. Keep the USB transmitter away from other electronic wireless devices. Avoid interference. Try another audio cable.